Imagine a group of cheeky monkeys throwing fruit at unsuspecting tourists, all while sneaking glances to witness their reactions. Did you know these clever primates can recognize themselves in mirrors? As they play their pranks, their intelligence shines through. And how about those crafty crows who can solve puzzles to get their snacks? Some have even been seen using cars as tools to crack open nuts. Meanwhile, sea otters wrap themselves in kelp to avoid drifting away while they snooze, showcasing their adorable antics. These hilarious behaviors remind us of the quirky complexity in every creature's life, making the animal world endlessly fascinating and funny.